Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making suya wings, and not just any suya wings. We're going to be making deep fried crunchy suya wings. I know, right? It's mind-blowing. Anyways, without wasting much of your time, let's get into the recipe. So guys, first thing you need is your chicken wings, obviously, but make sure they are properly cleaned and towel patted, like dry, so that they don't retain so much moisture. After that, I proceeded to pour in a lot of yaji, and yaji is just the regular suya spice that you buy. Yaji is not the same thing as plain pepper, please. Okay. So after adding the yaji, I proceeded to add 1 teaspoon of every seasoning you saw and just 1 cube of knorr. Don't forget that all the ingredients measurements will be listed in the description box below. I massaged that in thoroughly and then I set it aside to refrigerate. I kept it for like an hour, and after refrigerating, I added some parsley flakes, 2 tablespoons of parsley flakes, and then corn flour, and then a little bit of baking powder. Emphasis on a little, okay? This is the perfect combo for a very thin crusted crunch. It's not going to be heavy or thick or anything like that, but it's still going to get the skin of the chicken very crispy because of the baking powder. Anyways, I proceeded to heat up my oil, and I'm going to let this oil heat up very well, just until your chicken can sizzle like this. And don't worry about it being too hot, because by the time you finish adding your chicken, it's going to reduce the temperature of the oil. If you've watched my previous crunchy fried chicken video, you're going to know that this is totally normal. I talked about the oil in that video on why your oil should be very hot. Anyways, you want to fry your chicken till it's golden brown like this, and that just took me about 10 minutes. But note that the type of chicken you're going to use will determine how long you're going to fry it for. If your chicken is softer than mine, it may go for 8 minutes. If it's harder than mine, it's 10 to 15 minutes. So just watch out for proper doneness, and you can know proper doneness by how quiet the oil gets. Just go and watch my crunchy fried chicken video, okay? I talked a lot about it. Like, I gave a very detailed description on how to go about this. Anyways, I let this chicken sit for 5 minutes, and I proceeded to pouring it into a bowl and adding even more yaji to this, because this is suya wings, okay? What is suya without yaji? Absolutely nothing. You want to get this totally coated so that it looks rusty like this. And guys, oh gosh, this tasted so good. Crunch and yaji do pair very well. I think this is now my new favorite way to take suya. Okay, you need to try this out and let me know what you think about it. And I made this for some of my friends that came over, and they absolutely loved it. This is such a madass concept. I don't think you see it everywhere, and if you make this for your family, it's going to be so fun. I've talked too much. Anyways, guys, I hope to see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.